Dear investors, in today's video I would like to introduce you some cyber security stocks. So there is increasing demand in every field for cyber security, and therefore I think this is worthwhile to check some of these companies. After my first search, I found Palo Alto Networks, and about this company you can learn a lot of things honestly on the homepage. Honestly speaking, I'm not expert on this field, so this will be only a quick valuation about these companies. But you can learn a lot if you go to the homepage and download the recent earning reports and presentations about the company. I also checked the competitors of the company. This is Cisco system, a larger one, Juniper Networks, and Symantec Corporation, which is not anymore Symantec. This is Norton LifeLock because Broadcom bought the enterprise section of this company. Checkpoint Software Technologies, Fortinet, and FireA. These are the named competitors in Palo Alto 10K reports. Okay, let's check the some valuation of these competitors. You can see Palo Alto is trading at around 46 price per earning ratio. We can go to all. So this is here the normal PE, the average in all, so all years in the history would be 130A, which should be somewhere here, but actually I think the company is overpriced because if we check the growth rate, this is in the last 4 years is only 16%, while the price per earning is 47, so I would expect a lower price for this company. But as I said, I don't know all the details about the company. It has 69% long-term debt, so you can check this company further if you wish to invest. Also, there is Juniper Networks, which seems to be a more stable company, and the valuation is also much lower. The expected growth rate from this company is only 6%, but pays a nice dividend. The next candidate is Norton LifeLock. So this is also a more stable company. As I mentioned, Broadcom bought the enterprise division from this company, and uh, the price per earning ratio is 21 currently. So, but the dividend is anticipated to increase, and also the earnings predicted to be higher in the next years. So maybe this is also interesting candidate. Okay, Checkpoint Software Company. This is also seems to me a more stable company. The growth rate is 10% in average, and the valuation is also not that high. I think reasonable. FireArray, I cannot tell too much about this company, but because based on that we have not so much data, but the the valuation is enormously high, but also the adjusted earning growth rate is extremely high. So we don't know what can happen with this company. Yeah, someone who wants to invest in this company need to learn more about that. And the last company that I checked this is Fortinet, and also pays no dividend, and the growth rate is similar to Palo Alto Networks, and the valuation also similar to Palo Alto. So I consider this is around the same price as Palo Alto Networks. So some of the high growth companies seems to be expensive for me, but we never know how this cybersecurity business will grow in the futures. Actually, I didn't invest in these small companies. I have investment in Cisco and Broadcom, which seems to me a more safety play. But I cannot expect 100 beggars from this companies. I mean, from Broadcom and Cisco. I also checked whether I can invest through ETFs. I found two ETFs. This is the First Trust Cybersecurity ETF and the Prime Cybersecurity ETFs. These are very similar ETFs, but ETF Prime Cybersecurity, which is more established fund, includes companies that have market capitalization as low as 100 million, while First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity have established a minimum market capitalization of 250 million for the companies in portfolio. So it means the First Trust is a more prefer bigger companies. So maybe you cannot expect as many 100 beggars, and also you cannot expect so many losers in this trust. You can check all the information about these funds. You can see the top holdings company, and maybe if you wish to learn about this company, you can check the home pages and download all the information and make do your due diligence. Also, you can go to Hack. You can see Cisco is a bigger holding, but I think this portfolio is diversified well. Palo Alto Network is also here. So you can invest in cybersecurity in individual stocks, but you need to learn more about the companies, and also you can just simply invest through ETFs. Currently, as I mentioned, I invested only bigger companies like Cisco and Broadcom. But maybe if the price for Palo Alto Networks or for other companies goes to a reasonable level and the business is not deteriorated, so the future prediction still intact, so the future is bright in this security, then I might invest also smaller individual cybersecurity stocks. Thank you for listening, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.